Hello viewers, welcome to Varun Krishna Job Channel. Today we are going to see some interesting fresher job opportunity in a huge MNC. Let's see everything in detail in this video, step by step. Let me show you everything in detail in this video, how to apply, where is the location. So everything in this video I'm going to show you. Yes, before that, as usual, I am just keep saying the same thing only. So Varun Krishna Job Channel always will provide you the genuine tech job updates, which is applicable for both freshers and experienced candidates. Okay, one who looking for the job fresh, as well as already one who is working, those who are looking for the new change from one organization to another organization. So for them also, which is very suitable, whatever the job I'm just posted here, right, which is applicable for both of them. So in case if you have a trust over me, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel to get the new job notification. Also, if you are feel the job is very relevant for you, in that case please do apply after checking all the criteria. Okay, then you can do apply without wasting your time immediately. Okay, so in case if you feel the job as I posted which is not suitable for you, in that case you can share the same to your nearby job seekers or freshers. So who are looking for the jobs, your known circle, so please convey them. Okay, at least after watching this video they would get benefited, I hope, right? Yes, this is my humble request to everyone. So if you feel which is very fine for me, whatever the job I just posted here, then in that case do not, again I'm saying, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Yes, we were, let's see the job, what is the company name, what is the qualification, everything in detail in this video. Let's see the video right away. This is our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing in each video. I'm not the hiring person. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. In case if anyone of the employer or anyone asks you to pay the money to get a job, please do not pay. It might be the fake one for sure. Also, I'm not the responsible for this. Okay, let's dive into this video. Yes, viewers, like I said, right? So this is the company name called Qual Minds. So here only I'm just revealing the company name. The position is called Associate Software Engineer. So the location is Hyderabad. So they are just hiring for the only the freshers. Okay, the role is Associate Software Engineer. The responsibility is so as usual they are just expecting. So every organization is expecting the same thing only. They need to write some clean and crafted code. So they have to upskill yourself. They have some passion and interest, passion to do the coding by themselves. So these are some common expectations from the candidates. Okay, so the required attributes is so good understanding of software technologies and object-oriented programming, and understanding of SDLC. So obviously the person should be self-motivated and team player and result-oriented. These are the common expectations, like you say. Yes, also the good communication. Also, additionally they are just looking for some problem-solving skill. Yes, the current open position is .NET developers, UI developers. In UI developers, particularly they are just looking for Angular, Vue, and React and Node full stack SQL developer. Please, in case if you guys are asking me the referral, please, I'm not the right person to do this referral for this post, because my known colleagues are just quit from the jobs right away. That's why I couldn't able to do the referral. Also, I just said in my previous video, it's very difficult to get the job referral for all the organizations. I hope you can able to understand. So no one is ready to share their number for me, right, with me. That's why so just think yourself. So none of the organizations are ready to, the HRs are ready to share their personal number to with me. So it's very difficult to get the referral. So these are the some opportunities I'm just trying to show you. Okay, that's why I'm just I just figured out those positions. So I'm just trying to make a video, just made a video, then I'm just posting in YouTube, so that if anyone of you having interest, please watch this video and apply to immediately. So
like I said, right, the criteria is BE btech MCA software engineering. So they are just hiring. They are expecting 2019 and 2020 2021 passed out with no backlogs. Obviously they won't expect for anyone from the standing areas. You should be clear your all your arrear exams, then you are obviously you are eligible for this post. Also they are just looking for should have an aggregate of 70% above your all your academics. Okay, so additionally they are just looking for, if you are a trained candidate, then it should be fine further. That's the expectation they are just looking from you guys. Yes, viewers, so this is the position. I just given the apply link also. You just click that link. Obviously you are just navigated to their official career page where you can feed your all the required details, then apply. Simply to submit, obviously you have just submitted your application, then you just wait for some time. In case if you are having still the position is open, then you can get the email, I mean official email ID from them for your personal email ID where from where you just apply. Yes, that's it today. So I hope it will be very useful for you. So many of them, so I'm just saying the same thing. Please do not ask me the referral. So no one as my colleagues or friends, no one is working here. So in case if you ask me the referral, for sure I can't able to give you. Okay, so I'm just sharing the job information to you guys. With you guys, you just do apply, and if you are sometimes you may have a luck, some of them, at least few of them will get this interview opportunity and few of them will crack the interview. So it because of mine, I would be very happy. That is the only my intention. Just do apply. So otherwise do not skip this job. Just do apply. It's nothing, it's not nothing. You're not going to pay any amount. You are not going to spend anything, right? You are just going to spend your time only. So for that you just simply apply. Whether it will work or not, the time will decide. Okay, sure. Just apply. I'll just share one more jobs regarding the same call mines. You just follow my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, viewers. And again, I'm just keep saying the same thing. Varun Krishna channel, job channel, will always post you genuine tech job updates. In case in your, if you or your friends or colleagues, someone is just looking for a job, whether it is fresher or experienced, could you please ask them to subscribe my YouTube channel, as the job channel, to get the all the latest job notification without missing anything. Yes, thank you so much, viewers.
Yes, viewers, thank you so much by watching this video. I hope it would be very useful for you. Again, I'm just keep saying the same thing. Varun Krishna job channel always will provide you the job information. Everything is a very genuine information only. I'm just collecting those information from different sources. I'm just posting you as a video. I can able to share the same through LinkedIn or else any other mode like WhatsApp. Everything can able to do. But in case if I post a video, it could be reach some wider audience. That's why I just posted a video. In case if anyone of you want to apply, not today, by some other day or day, so some past days also they can go and apply. They can able to watch the video, they can able to apply. That's why I just posted as a video. If I just put it as a post in LinkedIn or any other medium, so it's very difficult to get it there, right? That's why I just converted to your video. I'm just posting all the information as a video here. That's the reason behind. So again, I'm saying, so in case if you feel, if you're having the trust over me, then do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Or more than that, please convey the right information to the right person, which means you can share the same to the all the job seekers who are looking for the fresh job as well as the experienced job. Please share to them, so then only I would be get successful by posting this video, right? Otherwise it's a kind of satisfaction, okay, I'm just getting by posting this video. Yes, viewers, I'm just posting one more new job notification in my upcoming video. Until then, signing off. Do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click the bell icon to get the new job notification. Thank you, viewers.